Hey Beardsters, what's up? It's week 16 of the year, and today I wanted to talk about the mustache. Now, the mustache can be an absolute pain in the ass. It kind of grows at its own pace, normally separate to the beard. It normally grows a bit slower or a bit faster, and it actually requires quite a lot of effort to stop it looking like a fuzzball. So training the mustache doesn't have to be too difficult, and I'm going to cover off just a few tips on how to train your mustache. So if you want a crazy handlebar mustache, or whether you just want something straight and long and that kind of just integrates with the rest of your beard, it's pretty simple to achieve that over time. To train the mustache, firstly, you want to take care of the mustache. So investing in some product, whether it's beard oil or mustache wax or beard balm, you can use all of these in your mustache. I advocate that you should just use a general beard oil of your choice, whatever floats your boat, and apply that daily. You can put balm into your mustache as well, and that helps. But I've just found lately that using a good styling product in the mustache, when it gets to my sort of length, or maybe even a bit sooner, will really help get that look you want to achieve. And there's two things you need. You need to either use your hands, your fingers, or a brush, and a hairdryer really helps. So what you want to start off doing is just brushing your mustache or using your hands to guide the mustache into the style you're looking for. At present for me, I just want a mustache that kind of sits across my face. As the mustache gets a little bit longer, I might start training it to curl in on itself and get that nice handlebar type curly, or whatever we're calling it, just to get that fancy ass mustache. Now, the next thing that you want to actually get is the hairdryer. So you're gonna wash your beard, your mustache, just wash your face in general. And then what you're actually going to do is you're gonna get that hairdryer and you're gonna point it onto your mustache and just blow dry it into the direction you want that mustache to sit. So if you want to get a curl, you want to apply some heat and some coolness to the mustache from underneath. If you want it straight, you kind of want to get that air from the hairdryer to come across your face. It's pretty simple, and it doesn't take too much time or effort. It just needs a little bit of effort and time each and every day whilst you're trying to achieve that style. Now, one thing that you really need to get right is the ratio of hot air and cold air from the hairdryer. If you blitz your beard hair whatsoever with just hot air, you're gonna dry it out and it's gonna become pretty cracked, brittle, just shit. You're gonna make your beard shit if you just apply hot air like this close to it. So be sensible and put the hairdryer a good distance away from your beard and your mustache. Next, you wanna apply a bit of warm air, even hot air, to the mustache area. And when you do this, it's gonna help make that mustache a little bit more supple, a little bit easier to work with. And as soon as you kind of get it in the position you want to whack it on the cold setting and just keep applying the cold air to the mustache area, and that's going to help hold it in place. Now, when you've done that, the best thing to do is to finish it off with some product. And then you just need to repeat that every single day. Every time you style the beard, you do that, and you're going to have a mustache in the style that you want with minimal effort. Your hair will start to stay in that shape each and every day, and it just makes your routine ever so slightly quicker each and every day. And that's about it, guys, today. And hopefully you got some value out of this, and we'll see you in just a few days' time for another video. Until then, goodbye.